Hello everybody, welcome back to our Zapier tutorials. So we have already covered an inside look of what Zapier is and what it's all about. We've also covered the different pricing of Zapier and how you can actually sign up for an account. And now we're going to take a look at some of the features inside Zapier which may help you with thinking of different zaps that you can make. Now inside Zapier they do have some built-in apps as they call them. And some of these are really useful. So in this video, I'm going to show you the scheduler one. So all we're going to do is I'm in here now. I could be on the dashboard, for instance, and we can just search for an app on here. So if I search on anything like that, it would come up. But what we are going to do is just click Zaps here, because sometimes it makes them create them in a different way from the dashboard is the only reason. I'm going to click Make a New Zap. And now this is the one we want here, schedule. So this, when they've got like this orange box around them, it means that it's built in by Zapier. So we're not connecting like another app to another app. We are connecting Zapier to another app. So as you can see here, it says start the Zap every day, hour or a custom interval. Now this is really handy for things such as, I found a really good use for it, such as Trello. So for instance, you may have something that happens every single week and you want it so that a brand new card gets created. You don't want to have to keep editing a current card that you have in Trello. It could be that every week you want a summary of something to be sent to you. There's loads of different ways you could choose it. And it literally is just a scheduler. So you would choose an event, which could be every hour, every month, every day, every week. So I'm going to say every week. So every week I want something to be created and I'm going to click continue. Now it's asking me to choose the day of the week. So every Monday, and what time of the day. So I may want it to come on at 8 AM and then press continue. And then that's it. You can press test trigger, but it's not really going to find too much or anything. It's just going to find that the last time it was Monday, it was actually today, the 15th of the 2nd, 2021, and what time it is currently. And then obviously, if you went to load more, it could pull in more weeks as well. So week B, etc. So we're just going to go with week A. Don't worry about that too much at this moment in time. So I'm going to press continue. And then now this is when we'd connect it up to something else. So of course we could do something else with this, but we're not going to do anything else. We're literally just going to put something into Trello, for instance. It could be that you want something put into a Google document or even Microsoft Excel, things like that. So let's say we are going to go with Trello. Happy days. And then we're going to choose the event. So we want it to create a card. I'm going to press continue. So because we haven't added an application in yet, it's going to ask us to do that. So we're going to sign into Trello. So there we go. Click log in. We just log into my Trello account. Go, and then we just click allow. So we're now logged in to Trello IT Moon, and we're going to click continue. Now that we're logged in, we're going to tell it which board to take it to. So we're going to say the testing Trello board. And then you can choose what list. So it may be to-do list. And then we're going to enter the name. So the name could be schedule social media posts. And then the description, schedule this week's social media posts. There we go. Then we're going to see if we want a label. So you may want a specific colour on it. So purple. If you had any custom ones. Where do you want it to go? To the top or the bottom? Does it need a signing out to a particular member? When would the due date be? So the due date could be that actual day, for instance, or it could be a different day. It could be something customized. So you may say that the due date is going to be whatever that date is plus 2 or something like that. Then if you wanted anything attaching, if you had any checklists, so you may have some checklists inside Trello that you want to use. So you could search for the name of that and put that in there. We're just going to keep it nice and simple. And then you just press continue. We would press test and review, and it would actually send that over Trello to show me that it has done it. And then we would turn the Zap on. and at the top give it a name. So that is the schedule app with inside Zapier. So you can schedule different events to happen that you may have happening on a regular basis. It could be that every month you do expenses, so you want that to happen. It could be every week you like to update a spreadsheet with the tracking details from Facebook and such things like that. So hopefully that helped you with looking at the Zapier scheduler. I will in the next video go through more of the different ones that we've got, and then we'll go through some more actual apps that you can set up, what involves 2 apps and not just a Zapier app. And don't forget, make sure you subscribe to make sure you get any notifications of new ones we're coming out. In this series, we've got more coming out for it, so make sure you check them out if they're already not released as you're watching these, and have a fantastic time in Zapier.